Want to keep your WhatsApp chats clean and private without manually deleting old messages? With iOS 26, you can now set WhatsApp messages to automatically disappear after a set time, and it only takes a few steps. Here's how to do it on your iPhone. First, open the WhatsApp app and sign into your account if you haven't already. At the bottom of the screen, tap Settings. It's the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap Storage and Data. Under the Storage section, tap Manage Storage. From here, you'll see an option that says Turn on disappearing messages. Go ahead and tap it. Now under Set for your account, tap Default Message Timer. You'll get a few options here. Choose how long you want new messages to stick around before disappearing. You can set them to disappear after 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Once you select a duration, this setting will apply automatically to all new one-on-one chats moving forward. Just keep in mind, this won't affect your existing chats. You'll need to change those individually if needed. Or you can just tap Apply Timer to chats under the Set for your current chat section, then select the chats that you'd like to apply timer to. This is a great way to keep conversations private or reduce clutter without lifting a finger. And that's it. Now your new WhatsApp messages will disappear automatically based on the timer you picked. If you found this WhatsApp tip helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more iPhone tricks you'll actually use. Thanks for watching. See you next time.